How to add CIBC Credit Card to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet. This is the default app in your device. In the case you cannot find this app in your device, you can head towards your App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet and install it. After completion of installation process, launch this app. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you will find this plus icon. Click on it. With that, different available card options will appear such as Apple Card, Apple Pay Later and so on. For now, go ahead and click on the option that is suitable for you. I will be selecting debit or credit card. Now click on Continue. From this page, you are able to scan your card, or also you can choose this option of enter card details manually. For instance, I will be selecting enter card details manually. Now go ahead and provide your card details. Type in your card number. Once you type in, click on Next, and in the next page you have to verify and complete your card information. Once you do that, you will be good to go. Your card details will be updated. So this way you can easily add CIBC credit card to Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.